be fun to add pictures to a photo album and give that to someone for Valentine's Day. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you a couple of mini albums that I have in my Etsy shop. I'm going to take you through them real quick just so you can get an idea. Maybe it'll inspire you to make something, or if you don't have time, they are in my Etsy shop. So this one obviously has the bike with the basket of flowers. We've got some little envelopes there, a larger one here, and a couple of little hearts over there. There is some foiling. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there is some foiling in here, and it just adds a little pizzazz. There's not a lot. So here on the inside front cover, oh, by the way, 7x7 mini album, and the pages are 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So there is a pocket here in the front. There's this cute little, oops, there we go, little cupcake, and then room to journal there, and you could put a nice size photo there. So here, this is held down with a magnet, but it also comes out to give you a photo mat, and that'll go back in there. It's got a nice scalloped edge on there, and like I said, it's held down with a magnet. On the next page, we've got just a little spot for journaling, and of course, you know, you can take a white gel pen and journal on a darker surface. And then we've got that. This is a good spot to add a photo or two. So here we've got some of the little glitter. It's the no rub glitter, so it doesn't come off, but there's that detail there. A pretty little vase of flowers on this pocket that'll open like that, and that'll open like that. And these obviously come out entirely, and it gives you room to put more photos, and room right there. Here's another pocket with the no shed glitter and a nice photo mat. A couple of stickers on the pages. That comes out. Love the little tic-tac-toe boards with the hearts. That's fun. And then here we have another photo mat and a pocket. It says, "Be mine, Valentine." And you've got all the hearts there with XOXO on it. A nice, pretty pink photo mat. Here is a journaling card with room to write something. You could add a photo to the back, and obviously photos for the photo mat. A sticker on here, just adding a little pep to it. And then we've got arrows, XOXO, and love. And there's our photo mat. And this page has the pocket, says, "Be my Valentine." There is your photo mat. And here, now this page is a little different. This one actually opens up and gives you even more room to put your photos. And here is the photo mat in the back. That heart sticker corresponds with that. And then hidden behind that is just a heart with flowers coming out. And of course, you could add extra photos inside these pockets. There's more than enough room. There is our back cover, and there we are back at the front. Let me show you real quick this one. So in the front, we've got a pocket, and we've got a larger than normal photo mat. Here we've got a pocket in the front. This is a little file folder and a little file that comes out of that. So this could be like a card, or you could add photos to that. Room to put your pictures, room to put pictures. The detailing here is great. We've got a glitter strip of hearts, and this one is an enamel heart. And this is a side-loading pocket. Strawberries. A little journaling card. This is popped up, just gives you a little detail. And there's our photo mat. And I don't know if you see the detail. This is embossed with a heart. Maybe the darker ones will show. A couple of little gems there. There's our side-loading pocket. Real pretty with lots of love. this is just a rosette. Can we see the heart on there? A little bit. It's subdued, but it's there. Little rosette just to add a little detail. And there is our side-loading pocket. Another page and another pocket. Love this little strip. And there we go. So as you can see, there is lots of room to put your pictures. And then on the back inside cover, we've got 2 circles there, which open up to this big heart that says love. So those are mini albums that are in my shop right now. They are perfect if you don't want to make a Valentine's Day gift, don't have time, or maybe you just don't have the paper. In any case, these are in my Etsy shop. I'll leave the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.